My name's Matthew Palmer and I've been with Wigley Engineering for over 20 years now. In 1997 I started as a labourer and did my apprenticeship, worked through all key roles over the years including purchasing, dispatch and landed in the role of Works Manager. Wigley Engineering have been fabricating steel components for over 50 years in Australia to the automotive industry, to the construction industry, to road safety and also custom products and a lot of other industries. We took the QMS journey because Wigley Engineering are trying to break into some new markets including defence, government and trying to make our own proprietary product. But we didn't want to start any of them journeys without knowing that we had strict enough controls to ensure that our customer was going to get the exact product they wanted and that our employees were confident and controlled enough to ensure that they could do their roles properly. We looked at several consultants to help us with our QMS journey and wanted to ensure that they had a manufacturing background. We also wanted to ensure that they could translate into a language all of our staff could understand. After the initial meetings, Anytech Consulting was the obvious choice. Change is generally a difficult process for anybody and getting everybody on board was always going to be the biggest task. Anytech Consulting understood this and they engaged with all staff on a case-by-case basis and trained them accordingly. Anytech Consulting helped implement SOPs which made roles clearer and more controlled, weekly meetings which brought admin and production together instead of being two separate parts of the business, and a skills matrix which helped us put together a training plan and unearth new qualifications that we didn't know people had, and all of this with an emphasis on quality and safety. Initially our staff resisted the change, but once Anytech came on board and they took a personal approach with every person on a case-by-case basis, all staff enjoyed the change and have embraced it. Anytech Consulting have helped with the culture change at Wigley Engineering, which has encouraged management and production to talk more openly, freely and clearly, leading to an increased emphasis on safety, quality and training. Anytech Consulting have played an integral role in our QMS journey and have been a constant form of knowledge and support. No question was left unanswered, no request was deemed too hard, and they're always willing to go above and beyond what was expected. To anyone who is looking at implementing a quality management system but is unsure of where to start, I would definitely recommend Anytech Consulting.